The following video is a 2013 HAAS VF-4. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we're going to go ahead and start by jogging the axis around. Start with the X. Well, with the Y-axis now. All right, now we'll move to Z. We currently have the spindle running at 1,000 RPM during warm-up. We'll go ahead and run through the speeds real quick. And that's at 3,000 RPM. And that's 6,000 RPM. And that is 8,100 RPM, maximum RPM for this model. I'll go ahead and do a tool change now. Switching to tool 2, or the equivalent. I'll do it one more time. Tool 3.
Again, the following video is a HAAS VF-4, new 2013.